Hey folks, this is Basant here and Sumo Day is live and this is the second day. So make sure if you haven't want to miss any of the deals that is back again on after some time, you can just check out the Sumo Day. The link will be given in the description. And in this video, I want to talk about Ranklytics. This is the tool that leverage 200 plus ranking signals and make your content rank faster on the Google or the search engine. So this platform is really good and it can make your SEO on this autopilot here. So in this video I'm going to give you a detailed overview and the features demo of the Ranklytics, but starting from the its lifetime deal. It is getting the $69 one-time payment and you can get the lifetime access. It has more than 80 plus reviews, so it has the 200 plus ranking signals to generate the loads of the SEO content checklist and the keywords here. Okay, and if I scroll down below you can just know more about this platform here, but don't worry, I'm going to give you a detailed demo and the tutorial. So in this single tier plan you will get the one user one website as the project, and this is the limits you are going to get, but there are so many things just not available in the tier 1 plan and the tier 2 plan. That's why I suggest go with at least the tier 3 plan, because here you will get the much more user limits, websites you can add, the articles limit, content audit, and the access of all the features. But if you want to access the all the things and the unlimited content or the tracking keyword, then you have to go for the tier 4 plan. If you want to check it out the deal, the link will be given in the description, and somehow after buying you are not happy, just return it, and within 60 days your money back will be the returnable, means the 60 days you can try it as the free. And if you are going to buy within the Sumo Day, although this is only available till this Sumo Day, you can see there's the countdown timer is running on, so you can get it within these days. And while this is available you can get the 10% extra discount plus 10% extra discount for the Appsumo Plus members. Now let me give you a detailed demo and the tutorial of this platform. So this is the dashboard you are going to see here, and if you have connected your platform or the website here, it is going to show you the organic traffic, referring domains, the keywords you are tracking, and basically information around your website here. So in the dashboard we can also see like adding keywords for the tracking, review content strategy, publish content. We have the backlink gap analysis, keyword research, reports, audits. We have the reverse engineering if you want to find out why your competitors content is ranking but not yours. So with the reverse engineering you can easily do that. And there's the autopilot. This is my favorite thing because it can automatically find the relevant keywords for me, the content ideas, and generate content according it automatically. So this is the thing that I really enjoyed in this platform here. So let me get started here with the content, and here we will get the board or the calendar. In the calendar we can see our content schedulement here. Okay, then we have the keywords. So in this section I can do the keyword research. So simply click here on the find keyword, and after that you have to add your seed keyword like the MBBS. This is the medical course term I have used. Now let me click here on the search, and it is going to find out all the information, relevant keywords, the search volume, the CPC or the competition here. Okay, so it can take some time to finding the keywords. Okay, I got it. So this is the monthly search, the keyword difficulty, the paid ads, competition, everything. So I can simply click here on the ad, or I can just analyze any of the keyword. Like let me analyze this keyword here. It has the low paid ads, competition, and the search volume here. Let me click here on the analyze, and now it is going to analyze this keyword, find me the more related keywords around it, the user intent, the keyword difficulty, current ranking, top competitors, all this stuff I can easily see analyzing any of the keywords. See, this is all the relevant keywords here. We have the user intent, we have the content ideas, we have the top 10 competitors. Okay, so that's how its keyword sections work. Then we have the tools. In the tools we have the content audit, we have the reverse engineer, content gap, the gap analysis. Then we have the reports for the tracking our keywords. So I have added few keywords for the tracking, and if I click here on the ranked keyword, it is going to show me all of my keywords that I am tracking here. Okay, so while the page is loading, let's back. Okay, it's loaded here, and now you can see this is the ranking, this is the search volume, the keyword difficulty, and more stuff here. I can click here on the reports, I can click here on the track or the view page here. Okay, then we have the backlinks section. So in the backlinks I can just analyze all of my backlinks for my website. Okay, this needs upgrade. I told you that tier 1 or the 2 or the 3 is going to limit you some of the features. So this is why this is showing me the upgrade option. So make sure you got the highest plan to access all of the features here. Okay, then in the settings basically I can do some configurations around my brand, around my keywords, around my publishing settings. Okay, so this is the Ranklytics, and the platform really offer the so many features, and it has the ranking signals to analyzing your content or making your content, researching to the publishing on the automation. You can do all these stuff. So if you want to check it out the deal, the link will be given in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. And in my channel, I constantly creating the new videos on the AI tools, sales, or on the softwares. You can find that out. So recently I have created so many videos on the Sumo day tools that is recently backed here. So simply click here on the shop now, and this is the all the tools on the Sumo day that you can see that is recently backed again only for the 3 days while the sale is going on. So if you want to check it out, the link will be given in the description. And that's all. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.